If you're tired of other AI image generation tools limiting your daily use, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited, high-quality images using Defooocus AI. Not only is this tool free, but it also offers powerful customization options to help you create the images you want, without any restrictions. The first step is to set up Defooocus AI on Google Colab. Go to Google and search for Defooocus AI. Click on the link that leads to the Google Colab page. Once you're on the Colab page, press Connect in the top right corner to connect to Google's servers. Then, click the Play button to run the code cell. After a short wait, it'll give you a link to access the main Defooocus AI interface. Now that you're on the Defooocus AI interface, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the type of image you want to create. You can type in any prompt you'd like, whether it's a landscape, abstract art, or a realistic portrait. Defooocus AI is highly versatile and ready to generate images based on your input. For more customization, I recommend going to the Advanced settings. Here, you have a wide range of options to fine-tune your image, including the aspect ratio, style, and speed. Adjusting the aspect ratio allows you to create images that fit your preferred dimensions. The style selection lets you choose between photorealistic, illustration, or other artistic looks. And the speed setting allows you to balance between quality and processing time, giving you control over how your final image looks. One standout feature of Defooocus AI is the ability to generate up to 30 images at once. Just set the image count to 30, and Defooocus will create multiple variations based on your prompt. This is a great way to explore different options and find the perfect result. What's even better is that Defooocus AI has no limit on how many images you can create. You can generate new images as often as you like, so you'll never be held back by daily limits or quotas. Defooocus AI also comes with inbuilt tools that make your work even easier. You can use Photopea, an advanced image editing tool, right within the platform, similar to Photoshop. There's also a background removal tool that lets you create images with transparent backgrounds, which is perfect for icons, overlays, or other custom graphics. Once you're satisfied with your images, downloading them is simple. Whether it's one image or a batch, Defooocus AI makes it easy to save high-quality results directly to your device. And that's it. Now you know how to generate unlimited, high-quality images with Defooocus AI. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.